And off topic, yesterday was the day to sign the coal block 10.
That has been, we have taken because there is certain financial approval that was required. Remember something, that whoever is a successful bidder through a transparent process, that money will be reimbursed by that particular person.
Correct.
But till that is, we don't know who he is, right?
Correct.
It's a mystery. Papers write so many things, but ultimately a coal block, this coal block, this is allotted, is good for us. Tranche 6 is for power generation. So it will be good for us. And we are applying. I told you, we will apply for 6th. When we get for 7th, 7th, 8th, 8th, 9th, 9th. What is the problem? IDC will benefit.
Correct.
Goa will benefit. And if that power generation, that coal block gets activated at that point of time when it comes, then automatically it may help in reduction of our rates also. You have to think differently.
So the signing will happen later? Or
it will happen before 30th October. We have taken time till 30th. Before 30th. Chief Minister is already aware of it. He is in the know. He will do what is.
Okay.